Today we're gonna be getting the muffler done on the truck, so we have to get it towed out there, see what it sounds like. Cold start. Now it's gonna be super loud, but just want to show you guys. Super loud. ¿Qué gente vale verga, güey?
Siempre chido, porque allá andas todavía vivo y coleando de agua.
Ah, huevo. It's been a couple of days and we came to the shop to see how the muffler sounds. Either it's gonna get dumped before the axle or after the axle. It's a badass little truck right there.
I'm fucking...
That's temporary, that's just the mock-up right now.
Not that bad.
A ver, ya, dale un pisón. They're gonna pull out the truck because since it's in there, it kind of sounds a bit too loud. We're gonna hear it out here, see what it sounds like. I don't think it's that bad. It's pretty loud though. We're gonna try it now with the resonator, see if it quiets it down a little bit. Quítaselo. Hold on. We're gonna try without it.
Start it up again? So I'm gonna leave it on and then...
Okay.
Ready? Yeah.
Now we're gonna try it with another Borla, smaller one. See what it sounds like.
Okay, ready? Get it.
We got called that the truck is ready, so we're gonna head over there to pick it up. We didn't record the last part while we were at the shop because the battery died. We went with the 3-inch inlet and outlet, basically a 3-inch muffler from the headers back. I'm gonna turn it on right now. So it actually quieted down a lot. It's just a cold start, super loud. Not bad. ¿Le vas a dar un pisón? The truck has a misfire, so we're gonna scan it and see. Hopefully it's just a spark plug. I'll fix it. control. So they're all just the O2 sensors, there's nothing else. Kind of sounds like it has a misfire though. We're just now leaving the shop. We're gonna figure out that little misfire thing, and hopefully it's nothing bad. And I don't record around people because I'm still kind of like, I don't know, not really into that vlog type of thing yet. Hopefully we get there one day. But and also I don't know if people want to come out in the video or, you know, stuff like that. So let's get over to wherever it is that we're going, and then we'll see where we end the video. We're in Santa Fe Springs right now. Cylinder 5 misfire detected. Let's pull the fucking spark plug. We're gonna check the spark plug on cylinder 5 and the wire. We're gonna check this one right here. I think this is cylinder 5. Doesn't look bad. No mames, we touch a boot. I try to pull out that spark plug. I'm gonna pull out that spark plug and I'll show you guys if we find anything wrong with it. I mean, it might be cracked or something. We found the broken spark plug, so now let's see. Hopefully the misfire went away. This was a spark plug that we pulled out. You can see it's a pretty big crack right there. Right there, all along there. We must have hit it when we installed the header. We got a new spark plug in there, but it kind of still seems like it's missing a little bit. We're gonna scan it again, see if any other code comes up. We're test driving it again. We erased all the codes because we have to have it running right before it gets tuned. And the misfire code wouldn't go away, so we erased it right now. Going around the block and see if it goes back up. The only thing that should be on the scanner is the oxygen sensor codes. So we drove it around and the check engine light didn't come back up for the misfire. We're gonna scan it one more time right now. So it has 12 codes. So we don't have any more misfires. Now we're gonna take it to get it tuned. That'll be for the next video, and we're gonna make sure that, you know, it has no other little issues that needs to be fixed. But I'm guessing that that spark plug got banged up when we slid the header in, and I guess we didn't notice. I don't know, but that's it for this video. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.